Friends and family of popular social media sensation Lexian Williams, more popularly known as Lexi the Best, will have their final opportunity to say goodbye to an individual that have touched the lives of many, not only locally but on the international scene, as her funeral service is slated to be held at 11 a.m. today on the Rio Buena playfield in Rio Buena, Trelawney. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It is expected to be an emotional moment for the family and friends and also fellow co-star of the popular social media sensation Lexian Williams, more popularly known as Lexi the Best, as hundreds are expected to turn out today, May the 15th, 2022, in order to say their final farewell at her funeral service, which is slated to commence at 11 a.m. this morning on the Rio Buena playfield in Rio Buena, Trelawney. It was just a few weeks ago that the social media world and internet sensation had many plunge into mourning after it was confirmed by the police that the social media influencer Lexian Williams, age 20, was among 3 people succumbed to injuries in a motor vehicle crash on the North-South Coast Highway in Spring Hill, Trelawney. Williams, more popularly known as Lexi the Best, was being transported by a 25-year-old who goes by the name Kenroy Simit of Hague in the parish. The social media influencer, who was part of a local series, the 876 Roommate, is from Rio Buena, Trelawney, had just been picked up by Simit. It is alleged that on the day in question, upon reaching the vicinity of the Spring Hill, the driver lost control of the vehicle, which was said to be a Mark X motor car, which crashed into a Toyota Vaxi motor vehicle. It is believed that Lexi the Best and Simit were en route to an event called Cookout Vibes in Rio Buena Square. The driver of the Vaxi, Chris Codner, age 30, of Exchange in St. Anne's, also succumbed to injuries in the crash. A tourist was among the people on board the Vaxi. 3 tourists were occupants of the Vaxi as well, were also hospitalized during the accident. In a statement posted on the official page of Lexi the Best, the family of Lexi and William appreciate all those who call and send messages and give gifts during their time of bereavement. Lexian the Best was a popular face on the hit reality TV series The 876 Roommate, which recently concluded its first series, which turned out to be Lexian becoming the winner. On March 27, hundreds turned out at her candlelight vigil in order to pay their respect. Today, the social media sensation will be laid to rest. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come in a later newscast with her funeral service slated for 11 a.m. this morning. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.